Am I the only one that didn't know just how dangerous Florida is right now? Starting with number 3, lethal alligators. These modern-day dinosaurs are everywhere, in backyards, parks, even in your pools. And they're not just big, they're aggressive. Alligators often kill tourists. Number 2, Florida's crime rate. It's skyrocketed higher than any other state in the US. Break-ins, assaults, and more. It's not safe to walk the streets. But the biggest threat? Number 1, Hurricane Milton. This monster storm has already destroyed countless homes and taken lives. Power outages, floods, and chaos. Florida is in a state of emergency. Stay safe, folks. If you're in Florida, consider evacuating now. And for more daily information, subscribe to YouTube Facts.